Welcome to CoolSim. In this first part of our Quick Start video series, we will get CoolSim installed and running on your machine. Before we get started, CoolSim supports Windows 10 or 11 and has modest hardware requirements. A laptop with a quad-core processor and 8 GB of RAM should be sufficient. If you haven't downloaded CoolSim already, open a web browser and navigate to coolsimsoftware.com/download. Next, click the blue download button and select the first entry in the drop-down menu. After a few seconds, the CoolSim installer executable will be present in your downloads folder. Finally, double-click the executable to install. Bypass the Windows Defender pop-up by clicking More Info, then Run anyway. Follow the installer instructions as you would for any other program. Now, you should be able to launch CoolSim by hitting the Windows key, searching CoolSim, and hitting Enter. If you haven't provided your authentication codes, you will be prompted for them at startup. Otherwise, an empty model is shown at startup. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in a CoolSim license. Congratulations! Now you should have a working CoolSim installation. In the next video, we will go over common CoolSim objects and run our first simulation.